What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are in the Falkland Islands. We're going to be exploring a little town called Stanley. Hopefully we'll find some penguins and have some fun today. So we found a shuttle bus that took like 20 bucks and took us to a place called Gypsy Cove, and we're hoping to see some penguins.
Yeah, so you can see the guy in yellow. Give him nonsense.
So we're wandering around the cove. We saw a couple penguins. Tried to sneak up on a few, but they ran away. Now we're just kind of walking around the edge of the water, looking for wildlife. The scenery out here is really pretty. It's just up behind me. There's no trees or anything like that. You can see our boat back over there. There's also a second boat here right there, so we're sharing the port with another cruise. Yeah, so we're just gonna wander around here, keep an eye out for some more penguins, and then probably head back into the town and wander around, maybe get some souvenirs or something.
We've just got a penguin block.
We hopped back on the shuttle and now we're back in town. We're just gonna wander around here before we head back to the ship. that's gonna do it for Falkland Islands. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We had a great day today. We saw some penguins. Oh, I forgot to show you, I did find the perfect beer. It is called Beardo. It's got a guy with a beard. It's an IPA. So yeah, pretty excited about that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.